Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today, it's all about the vacuum cleaner. I know a lot of you guys sometimes you might be cleaning with this kind of stuff. Definitely. Sometimes you're cleaning throughout your machine or your day-to-day basis with this kind of bad boy. This is a really good one, by the way, but it makes your hand become a little bit working out. But today we're having a perfect solution which can be multi-purpose tool, which might be sorting you out through different circumstances which you never thought that you really needed. So guys, this is our product. It's called MDHL, and the product or the model number is MD12. It's a really nice one and kind of compact and really amazing. It may be sorting you out through different circumstances, like I was saying, and it's really great. So we're gonna just unbox it and check it out what's good inside, and I'm gonna share with you guys where you can get it. And if you're living in Arusha, by the way, I have this kind of products, like 6 of them. So if you just want one product, you can just check me out through the DM, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can, you know what I mean, you can check me on Instagram, stuff like that. It's gonna be really amazing. So for further talking or further ado, let's get started through the video of today. So guys, this is our bad boy here. We're gonna just unbox it right now and check it out what's inside. So as you can see, really nice and amazing, and we're having our product in here, the vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna keep it aside first, and another kind of stuff what you're having is the paperwork. So it's a really nice, well documented paperwork. Don't worry, it's on the front here, it's written Chinese. When you roll it over, it's actually written in English, so as you can just get a guideline to understand what you're really needing throughout your product. So yeah, kind of stuff, you're having this kind of accessories which is really cool. Each kind of part over here indicates how you can use it, and I'm gonna actually share with you guys how you can actually keep it on your vacuum cleaner, so as you can have just the basics knowledge to understand how you can use this kind of product. These are the accessories, guys. I'm gonna just keep them somewhere here, and it's actually using the USB Type-C, which it's a really vibrant throughout your vacuum cleaner, because we all know that USB Type-C right now has become really great thing throughout a lot of products. So it's a really kudos throughout there. Our bad boy, we're gonna just unbox it right now and see how it looks like. Well, looking really impressive, to be honest. I kind of like that, the way they kept the form factor, and you can actually twist this way and disassemble, and it looks like it can stay on your pocket, which is really cool throughout your product line. And another kind of stuff, this kind of vacuum cleaner, you can just roll it back here, and when you're done, you can just press it whenever you want to use it, and just like that. It's really cool. Now the part whereby it comes really in handy is you mounting these kind of tools which they're here. So you can mount this kind of tool here, and you can even mount this kind of bigger bad boy throughout here, just like that. So let's say you're having a keyboard and you're trying rubbing your keyboard and removing bunch of stuff. Let me share with you guys like a demo. This mechanical keyboard, let's say you're cleaning it, so you can just do this way, just like that. No worries if there's anything inside, it's gonna be grabbed throughout your machine, throughout your vacuum cleaner, which is really great. Just like that, you just rub it around. And another kind of stuff throughout here, whenever you're pressing this button, this is the power button, which when you press it's on. When you just hold it with your finger, it's like you're sleeping it, the motor is just like cooling down. When you release it, continues, which is really great through using this kind of button. So whenever you're using this kind of bad boy, just grab it, and you're having some dust over here, you can just grab them around, and all of them, they will just get inside, suck through the filter and stay here. So when you just want to release it, you just release your vacuum cleaner, and on top of here, you just keep this cap on top, and you just release whatever was inside throughout your cap of holding the dust, which is really great, and you return it back to normal, your filter too, which is great. So you can even wash this kind of bad boy. Modular, you can actually use it throughout this kind of portable vacuum cleaner, which is really great, and you can just actually remove that. And the other modules now which remain, like we can have this smaller module. This is for blowing. So we're having this side whereby you mount your vacuum, and you're having this side where it's for blowing. So you just mount your blower like this way. Let me just do this. You just use some force a little bit, yeah, and you can see it's just mounted already. So right now you're blowing things, you know what I mean? So let's say you're having your keyboard again like this, you want to blow it, you can actually blow it and remove all the dust inside, which is great thing using this kind of blower. Right now the vacuum cleaner changed to be a blower, which is really cool mount. I wish it could be having like a lock whereby you keep it, you lock, but anyways, it's a good form factor still, which is quite not bad. On top of here, you can mount this kind of small mini brush whereby whenever you're blowing, you can blow and do stuff like that, which is really vibrant on using your blower. So this kind of vacuum cleaner comes really handy because it has bunch of options throughout here throughout using it, which is really convenient, and it lasts for 30 minutes of the workflow, which is really incredible, and it has 9,000 PA of blowing, which is really dope throughout using this kind of portable. And by the way, through here you can charge it. The only thing which you can charge it for 3 hours, so it can have fully charged, and it has 120 watts of power, which is really incredible through this kind of bad boy. And yeah, so guys, this is our bad boy, and it's a really nice one. The portable vacuum cleaner, it's really cool because sometimes you just don't want to walk around with a big blower whenever you just want to clean your setup or anything. I find it this is the most cool kind of product which you can just carry throughout your bag, and having its accessories inside, and you can even have like a small pouch which you can just keep it, so as you can just use it throughout your day-to-day basis. It's really coming in handy, and it's really light. It's just not heavy. It's like 380 grams, which is quite impressive throughout this kind of bad boy. And another kind of stuff where you can get it, you can actually DM me. I can give you where you can actually get it, and it's gonna be really amazing. Or you can buy even on AliExpress if you prefer it. It's really great. And another kind of stuff, if you're living in Arusha, just check on me. I can give you some details where you can get it. We are actually having different colors throughout here. I think there's another black one. This is a green one, which I've decided to use it as for my own, but we're having for another color, which is a black color, which it's really dope through using this kind of bad boy, and it's really fun. So let me know in the comments down below if this kind of product has captured you through a different perspective. You just really need this kind of vacuum cleaner. It's just something which must be having it. You just don't neglect it, because sometimes it's just simplicity, minimalistic, which can save you through different circumstances. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, because we have hit 6k subscribers, which I'm really thankful for each one of you. I know some of you guys we usually talk on the comment side, and then some of you guys, I don't know where you're at, but you guys are just supporting me, and you're supporting your homeboy here from Africa, by the way, because some of you guys, you're asking yourself where I'm at. I'm actually in Africa, and another kind of stuff. That's what's up. Catch you guys on the next tech video. As usual, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.